Welcome to Pluralsight. My name is Julie Lerman, and you might know me as one of the most recognized authorities in the world on Entity Framework, Microsoft's data access platform for .NET developers. And now I get to use my many years of .NET expertise to show you how to build .NET applications on Amazon Web Services. I was really surprised when I began discovering how much support Amazon has for .NET on AWS. Tooling, SDKs, APIs, and a team of developer advocates. This course focuses on leveraging your existing knowledge of building .NET applications in Visual Studio and adds to that the feature-rich AWS Toolkit for Visual Studio to build apps that run on AWS. You'll learn about Amazon's relational database service and how to create and use a SQL Server database managed by RDS from your applications. You'll deploy an ASP.NET Core application to Amazon's Elastic Compute Cloud, also known as EC2, where its availability can be scaled up and down on demand. You'll then take that same application and deploy it to Docker containers that are completely managed by Amazon's Fargate service. And then again with that same application, we'll configure it as an AWS serverless application, which takes advantage of Amazon Lambda functions to reduce the cost of hosting. I hope you'll join me on this journey to discover the incredible support that AWS has for .NET developers and the software that we build.